What happened was true. The most bizarre and brutal series of crimes in America. This is the movie that is just as real, just as close.
No, fucking full of shit. I paid over. You want to know what I did last time? When we used to go, I used to give $20 for gas each time. And I paid for the parking. I overpaid. Fucking.
Just as terrifying as being there.
Bailey, it's not the time.
But even if one of them survives, what will be left? The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. After you stop screaming, you'll start talking about it.
If I was drunk at a party, I would even go after her, couldn't you shoot that? But he actually knows she's a slut.
This is the movie that Rex Reed called the most horrifying motion picture I have ever seen.
Oh, it's fine with me. Fucking.
This film is positively ruthless in its attempt to drive you right out of your mind.
I don't feel good. If you were like this, you would feel worse.
It accomplishes everything it sets out to do with brilliance and unparalleled terror.
And I wouldn't care.
This is the horror movie to end them all.
I'll make an hamburger. I'll make one. I'll buy a toaster. Have pizza Sunday.
Sally, I hear something. Stop! Stop!
This is the movie Rex Reed called the most horrifying motion picture I have ever seen. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. From New Line Cinema.
I know you're just trying to Jew me more than I Jew you.